This is Loki, who wants to help with the yoga class today. So, releasing your back after a long day of standing or sitting at work. One of my favorite things is to do either legs up the wall, or if you're just in the middle of the room, legs just up in the middle of the room. It's a little bit easier if you have something that's kind of soft to put your hips on. And one of my favorite things is taking a block with a little half roller. And then when I sit on it, I sit with my tailbone just a little forward of it. As I ease back, I can bring my legs up. What this will do is this will, especially if you're standing all day, this will help kind of get some circulation draining out of your legs. This is also really good for allowing any kind of like lymph to drain out of your legs. It also feels as though it's plugging your thigh bones back into your hip, giving you a light little pressure on your low back. If this is too high for you, and doing bridge on this, wonderful. So this supported bridge is really, really nice too. Notice my feet are planted firmly. If your feet do not plant firmly, or this is too high for you for your supported shoulder stand, then just go ahead and either take just the roller itself or come down just one notch is really nice. And so as I get onto that, and you can also do this against the wall. You want to make sure that you're on the plate of the pelvis, and what I mean by that is where the iliums and the sacrum have a nice firm foundation. Don't put it on your low back. Hope this helps, guys, because it really does with me. Bye.